back to my YouTube channel. I'm Liberty Zabala, and this is a channel where I give you all my tips and tricks from everything from fitness to fashion to beauty to cooking, you name it. You give me a topic and I will consider doing a video about my tips and tricks on it. And today we are going to cook another Crockpot recipe. I love cooking in the Crockpot because it's so easy. And today we're gonna do Liberty's creamy chicken. Let's get started. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And I'm gonna put them in the Crockpot. Seasoned it with pepper, adding in some salt. Get into the Crockpot. Come on, little chickens. McCormick 1 skillet creamy chicken vegetables with thyme, rosemary, and black pepper. And I'm gonna put it in there. I'm gonna set this on and put it on low for 4 hours. Now, it's been 4 hours. Time to put in the cream of mushroom soup. Chicken looks good. And this will be in for a half hour. And now, put the lid on top for another half hour. And it's done. Delicious. What do you think, baby?
It's really good. Really good.
And that, my beautiful people, is how you cook Liberty's creamy chicken. I hope you guys love this video, and if you have a Crockpot recipe that you think that I should try out, let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for your love and support. I hope to see you in the next video.